Hello everyone, welcome back. It is currently 9:09 on Wednesday, my dudes, but whenever you see this, it'll probably be Friday, so happy Friday. I'm on my way to class, and I am a little later getting out than I usually would like to be, because I didn't wake up till 8:30, and then I didn't get up until 8:46, but it's fine. This morning is not off to a great start. Don't know what happened to my accent just then. Because first, like I said, I'm kind of like running late, but then at 8:45, whenever I actually got up, they've been doing construction in my dorm for a long time now. Well, not a long time, just since we got here this summer. And usually it's in the afternoons, but like for the past 2 or 3 days, they've been drilling and hammering, and I can't tell if it's the room above me or the room right beside me. And it's so loud that like you can't just hear it in my room, you can hear it throughout our whole suite. So like in my room, out in the lobby, in the bathroom, it's crazy. They started doing that at 8:45 this morning, and I was like, really guys? Like, are you serious? I have no clue what they're doing, because the only renovations I know about are the laundry room, but maybe they're making repairs to one of the rooms. I don't know, but it's really annoying. But yeah, I'm just walking to the bus stop now. I'm gonna go to class. I need to fix my hair for a second though, because it's bothering me. Okay, that's better. Go to class, come back, and then do laundry, because the laundry room in our room, or in our dorm, is still down, but they moved where we could do our laundry. Instead of it being like 4 buildings over, it's the next one over from us, so that's really nice. And I finally need to start doing laundry, because I'm running out of shirts. Super loud traffic today. But yeah, just going to class and then doing laundry later. And I might go get more groceries today. I don't know yet. But we'll at least get out and do something today for this vlog. And I will make sure to give an update about the dead roach. So, fun.
Are there any exceptions to this, or is it just like a general rule?
Hey guys, I'm back in my room. I've been back from class for hours now, and I refuse to go do my laundry today because it is in the 90s outside, which I know for you people like on the West Coast or farther south than I am, that's not that bad, but it is so hot. And I had a sweatshirt on this morning because it was cold, because it was like in the lower like 60s, upper 50s this morning. So I was like, oh yeah, I'll just throw on a sweatshirt. And then I get out of class and it's literally 80 degrees and it's only gotten hotter. So yeah, we're not gonna do laundry today. As you've seen in the earlier clip, the roach is gone. I'm happy they finally cleaned it up, but I don't know, I felt like a connection with that roach, and I'm really sad that it's gone. Like, I was hoping it would be, like, our thing for the summer, you know? You know? Yeah, so I'm laying in bed. I will get up in a little bit to show you guys something in my dorm that's really cool and really weird, but for now, I'm just gonna lay here until I can find the will to get up and cook dinner, because I really don't want to, and I really just want to Postmate something, but I don't need to Postmate something because I need to actually buy groceries soon, so I guess I'll probably just eat some pasta, and that'll be that. So this is what I wanted to show you. These things are chairs, and you sit in them, and they like roll around, and it's really scary, but I will demonstrate for you because it's so cool. Okay, so I got a little too cocky. I guess I just got too comfortable with the chairs and I started going really fast and I almost fell and it was so scary. But yeah, those things are so weird. I didn't even think they were chairs whenever I first moved in here because they just look so weird. But yeah, that's probably the coolest thing about my dorm. Like, the dorm I was in before was kind of cooler because it had weird green chairs that you just kind of flopped in, and they were like trampoline-esque kind of feeling, and we had like a place to sit on the roof of the building, but this place doesn't have that. I mean, there's some beautiful spots around campus in this area, but the rolly chairs are the coolest thing. Yeah, so I think that's all for this vlog. I ate pasta, like I said earlier, but I'm still kind of hungry, so I think I'll just try to fix a tea and see if that helps. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm getting so many watch hours, and I don't know where it's coming from, but my subscribers are not growing at the same rate as the watch hour, and I would really like to start getting that up there. So if you're watching this and you still haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe.